Hey guys, I went to this gun store the other day, bought myself a new gun. I need it because I've been carrying this big Ruger SR40 as my main concealed carry. It's alright in the winter, you wear your coat, your sweater, it's pretty easy to conceal. But come summer, it's pretty hard. So I went to the store and got myself a new gun so I could carry it. Small concealed gun, and it's a Glock. Here it is, Glock 27. Let me give it a safety check first. Glock 27. That's going to be my main concealed carry gun now in the summer, and maybe I'll go back to the Ruger in the winter, which is pretty easy to conceal in the winter. But yeah, basically it comes with three magazines, and which they're all the same size. I was hoping it came with a pinky extender for the Glock 27, but it doesn't, so I'm probably going to purchase that. Speed loader, you got a little brush to clean it, plastic, probably won't use that, I got my own kit. Also came with a lock, never gets used. Two handles, you can replace the grip in the bag. I gotta check these out to see which ones I like better. Then it comes with your usual spent casing, your owner's manual, and it's got a little catalog to buy some shirts and stuff, basic stuff. Comes with standard sights. You see those sights. I want to give a shout out to Pete at the Armory channel, who gave me good advice and told me to get the Glock 27.